How to automate the boring parts of graphic design. One technique is to use Photoshop plugins to automate complex tasks. As an example, the Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin is perfect for automating mock-up image creation. This plugin allows you to quickly generate hundreds of mock-up images with a single click. Simply specify the Photoshop document, the input folder for your images, and the output folder for your mock-ups. You can even set up and save multiple step operations, which is useful for creating different mock-up images for each of your designs. This tool can save you hours of manual work, making your workflow much more efficient. Another great plugin is the Social Media Toolkit for Photoshop. This plugin helps you resize and format your images for various social media platforms automatically. Instead of manually adjusting each image for different aspect ratios, this tool does it all for you, ensuring that your images look perfect on every platform. This automation can save you a significant amount of time, allowing you to focus on creating more content. Another way to automate your boring graphic design tasks is to use actions and batches inside of Photoshop. This can work well for simple, standardized tasks. In this case, we'll automate the process of watermarking our images. Record an action by going to the Actions panel, clicking the plus icon to record a new action, clicking the Record button, and performing the task you want to automate. Once done, stop the recording. You can then play back this action as needed to automate those specific steps. For added convenience, you can bind actions to keyboard shortcuts, allowing you to execute them quickly without navigating through menus. Batch processing in Photoshop allows you to apply actions to an entire folder's worth of images. Here's how it works. Go to File, Automate, Batch. Choose the action you want to run. Select the source folder for your images and specify the destination folder for the processed images. Once everything is set up, click OK and Photoshop will apply the action to all images in the source folder. Really, the starting point of automating your workflow is just to identify those repetitive tasks that seem like they could be automated. If you find yourself robotically performing the same steps over and over again, such a task is probably a prime candidate for automation. And by automating those boring tasks, it frees up more of your time to focus on the work you enjoy and the work that gets you paid.